In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first website in Webflow. We'll go from opening Webflow to creating a site, choosing the best starting point, browsing a fitting template, and customizing it so you end with a clean, personal website. Head to Webflow and open your dashboard, the home for all your projects. Create a fresh project by selecting New Site. Think of this as your canvas. You can rename and organize it later. For now, the goal is to jump into the designer and start shaping your site. Choose how to begin: a template, the AI site builder, or a blank site. Templates are the quickest route to a polished look with pre-built pages. The AI option can scaffold a layout around your goals. A blank canvas gives full control if you're comfortable building sections from scratch. If you pick a template, take a moment to browse. Filter by industry or style, open the preview, and explore the pages. Focus on structure, navigation, hero, sections, and footer, since you can restyle colors and imagery later. Select something close to your content plan to minimize heavy edits. In the designer, begin customizing. Replace placeholder text by double-clicking and pasting your copy. Keep heading levels in order for accessibility and search. Swap images via drag and drop or the assets panel and add short alt text so visuals make sense. Use optimized images to keep load times fast. Refine styling in the style panel. Update fonts and colors and consider global swatches so changes cascade site-wide. Apply classes to elements that should match, then reuse them for consistency. Adjust layout with drag and drop, and fine-tune spacing using margin and padding to keep sections tidy. Update the navigation to point to your pages or on-page sections. Then switch to tablet and mobile views for responsive tweaks. Scale headings, tighten spacing, and stack columns where needed so everything remains legible and touch-friendly. When you're done, use the preview to scroll the site like a visitor and confirm links, interactions, and typography. Feel right, that's it. Congratulations, you've built your first website in Webflow. Keep iterating as your content grows and enjoy the flexibility to evolve your site over time.